Raw material incoming check and qualification screening. Precision CNC cutting for customized sizes. Take a behind-the-scenes tour of our factory. Wire drawing, polishing plus anti-rust paint coating for long service life. Meticulous manual assembly with strict dimensional alignment. Secure packaging and delivery ready for global customers. Securina operate a 20,000 square meters production plant under standardized ISO 9001 quality management. We support full ODM development, custom making entry and exit roller tables compatible with all types of X-ray security scanners as per your technical drawings. Drop us a message for quotations and technical solutions right now.